In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatically playing music to your Google Sites. Whether you're looking to enhance a personal project or create a more engaging experience for visitors, background music is a subtle yet powerful way to elevate your site's atmosphere. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to embed a seamless audio experience that plays automatically when visitors land on your page. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your Google Sites. If you haven't already, open your web browser and type in the Google Sites URL, then access the specific site where you want to add music. Google Sites offer an intuitive, user-friendly interface, making it a great platform to manage your online content. Once you're in the Google Sites editor for your particular site, we're going to leverage a third-party tool that simplifies adding music. Head over to elfsight.com. This site provides a variety of widgets, and today we're interested in the background music widget. Use the site's search function to locate it quickly. You'll find several templates to choose from, so feel free to browse and select one that matches the mood or theme you're aiming for. Each template has its own aesthetic and vibe, so take a moment to consider what will complement your site best. After you found the perfect template, click on Continue with this template. This will bring you to a customization page. Here, you have adjustments at your fingertips to tailor the music experience to your liking. Perhaps you want to change the volume, playlist, or play mode. Take advantage of any features that align with your vision for the site. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Publish. This step generates an embed code that will be used to integrate the music into your Google site. Now return to your Google Sites editing page. Look for the option to insert an embed code. It's usually located within the Insert panel. Once there, simply paste the embed code that you copied from ElfSite. Double-check that everything looks correct, and when you're ready, click Insert. This action embeds the music widget directly onto your site. With these steps completed, your Google site now has automatic background music that enhances visitor engagement from the get-go. By following these instructions, you've successfully added background music to your Google Sites project. Not only does this guide empower you to make your site more dynamic, it also offers an enjoyable auditory experience that can keep visitors coming back. Experiment with different music genres and widget settings until you find the right balance. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing with sound.